Good morning, students. Myself Rakesh Kumar. Currently, I am pursuing BTech from the BIT Mr. Ranchi, and today I will teach you on the topic light. We have already this chapter light in class 10th, and this is the major topic of class 12th, and we will cover major topic in this chapter light, like introduction of light, classification of object, type of mirrors, and the property of light. So when we heard the word light, what strike in our mind? What is it? Light is light is a object. It is light is an instrument, or light is a device. What is it? Basically, light is a form of energy, and in our environment there are various kinds of energy present, like kinetic energy, potential energy, mechanical energy, thermal energy, heat energy, many more kinds of energy present. So basically, light is a form of energy. It makes the things visible to us. And second question is that how does light make an object visible? And what are the things required to see any object? So we need basically three things to see any object, like source of light, objects, and the eye. Inside the eye, image forms. So question was, how does light make a object visible? So question was, how does light make a object visible? So this is only possible due to reflection of light. So from the source of light comes to the object and it fall on the object, and from the object it reflected back, and here the image form. So this ray is known as incident ray, and after reflection it is known as reflected ray. So here one word comes, reflection. What is reflection? Reflection is nothing. Bouncing back of anything is known as reflection. Suppose that when we strike a ball on the wall, that ball reflect back. They get reback. That means bouncing back of anything is known as reflections of light. So our next topic is classification of object. How many kinds of object present in our surroundings? Basically, there are two types of object present in our surrounding. Like first one is luminous object, and second one is non-luminous object. So what is luminous object? Luminous object means those objects which have their own light and which can emit light. That is known as luminous object. Like sun have their own light. From the sun, light emits. So sun is a luminous object. Like a star and the burning of candle, etc. These are the part of luminous object. And second one is non-luminous object. Non-luminous object means this is the opposite of luminous object. Like non-luminous object means those objects which does not have their own light and they do not emit light. That is non-luminous object. Example, like this is the marker. This does not have their own light and it does not emit light. That means it is known as non-luminous object. So basically one question arises. Moon, you all have seen the moon in the night. Which types of object it is, luminous or non-luminous? So your correct answer is this is a non-luminous object, because moon does not have their own light. But how they emit light? Actually, moon observes the light from the sun in the day. In the night they reflect and they emit. So moon is a non-luminous object. And our next topic is type of mirror. There are basically three types of mirror, like plane mirror, concave mirror, and the convex mirror. And these are basically three types of mirror we will read in the next day or next class. Okay, bye bye. Thank you. See you next time.